You may need to know how to program your garage door remote if you change it or if it's ever lost or stolen. How does it work? With older garage door remotes, you will find small dip switches that turn on or off. The same set of dip switches are present in the garage door opener, controlling the operation of the door. Newer remotes use a rolling code technology. This type of remote functions by changing the code each time the remote is pressed. A radio frequency allows the remote to send a signal to the garage door opener to go up or down. The operator should be under standby mode when coding remotes. Press code button until the coding light turns on and the operator is under remote learning mode. Press any one button 2 times on the remote, the coding light will extinguish. The remote has been coded successfully. Use the same method to code multiple remotes. Up to 20 can be stored at any one time. Wall transmitter has the same coding measure.